A small Timog restaurant that serves popular Thai dishes, Thai Mango is the best place in the area to get mango sticky rice as well as pad Thai, perfect for a hot day. Thai Mango also has vegan coconut ice cream and Thai avocado smoothie that will help you cool down. If you happen to be near Boy Scout Monument, you can go to this restaurant. If you want to try Thai cuisine, take your chance and visit Thai Mango by Chef Kim at Timog. This place provides food delivery for the convenience of its clients. You can always enjoy tasty Thai pork, mango chicken and Thai chicken at this spot. In accordance with the reviewers' opinions, waiters offer nicely cooked mango sticky rice here. Don't miss the opportunity to order delicious Thai iced tea or good iced tea. Imagine a combination of tasty food and a courteous staff. This is exactly what this restaurant provides you with. The spectacular service is something these restaurateurs care about. The charming atmosphere brings a relaxing feel to a guest stay at Thai Mango by Chef Kim, Timog. One of the Metro's most beloved Thai casual dining restaurants, Thai Mango, with exciting announcements about expansion and other future plans from their management team. Thai Mango aims to reinvent the way you enjoy Bangkok street food this 2025. Thai Mango isn't just focused on expanding its offerings and branches. Thai Mango is dedicated to reinventing how Thai food is enjoyed by the Filipino market. They aim to make Thai less intimidating, more accessible, and affordable while keeping each dish authentic and delicious to what Bangkok street food truly is. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.